Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
By the way, online folks, am I audible? Visible? Online folks,
Yes.
audible, visible, reply in chat, please. Quick. I need the quick confirmation, each one of you. Everybody, quick respond. Okay. Let me address the online folks, please. Okay, online students, I will be keep asking questions to you. Okay, during the session, I have to have the interaction between. So for that, if I ask a question and if you have to say yes, you don't need to type the YES space SIR, sir, because I'll be asking so many questions to you. So I expect if you need to say yes, you type only Y. Is that clear? Yes or no? Quick, fast, only Y. Faster. Hello. Very slow response. Only Y is enough. You don't even type YES. Only Y is enough for me. Yeah, now started. Yeah, perfect. Faster response. And before I start the session, if anybody, if at all anybody has joined the session from your mobile, stop it. Quickly switch to the laptop, because you will be keep on interacting with me and I'll be asking so many questions and I expect you to answer. So if you have to be attentive during the entire session, you have to be keep on responding. Am I right? So say why. Okay, perfect. This is perfect for me. Very good. And to online folks, audible, visible also. Once again, audible, visible, louder. Perfect. No, that's good. By the way, by looking at this, what do you feel? I mean, who is this guy? Who's this guy? Came into the class without any interaction, without the introduction, started writing such a lengthy code. And is it the expectation from the day one we will start understanding these much? I do understand. As of now, I am starting my job from the moment I entered to the class. And this is what my daily routine. I'll come, I'll explain the concept to you, I'll explain the program to you, I'll execute and demonstrate. Almost every single day, this activity will be there. So the point is, I have started my job the moment I entered to the batch. Okay. Now, I am not expecting you to know, understand everything. Of course not. As of now, initial days, we'll have basic understanding set for you so that you get a little bit comfortable with the classes, trainer, and the routine. Slowly, gradually, we'll start this way. Why I have chosen? I could have come with a very good, nice PPT or some nice presentation and so on. I could have done like Dinchak way, right? I'm a technical person. This is what I do from the day when I started, and this is what will be happening throughout the course. And if you look at the whatever is written, of course you do not understand everything, but few things, can I say, at least few things or few words you would have heard about. Can I get the answers? Online folks, respond in chat, please. I'll be keep looking to the chats. Yes, any word you heard before. I heard this thing before. Anything? Core Java. Okay. HTML you heard somewhere? Yes, HTML you heard. CSS also heard. Java as well as JavaScript and React JS. Anything else? MySQL also you heard. And any of these things? Logical reasoning, these kind of numerical questions comes in your aptitude. And if over here only Angular, Java, Angular I didn't write. Huh, Uma? What is written on the code? I'm asking that. Fine. Ultimately, if I need to tell you, this is what your syllabus. This is what you're gonna learn from here. Do you agree? Okay. So, of course, I'm not getting into the technical details from the day one. I mean, see, I will torture you guys with programs, but not from the day one. I mean, initial days will be going smooth. So, if I need to tell you, ask you, what is the reason? Why are you here in this batch at We Stand For You Solutions? What is the purpose of? There should be some reason, no? Or you came this? Some reason would be there. What would be the reason? Answer. Very good. To get the job. Okay, sir. Anybody else? Any other reason? If at all. Skills. Skills to ultimately get the. You want skills development to get the job. Over here, online folks, skills. Okay. Okay. Fine. Get the placement. Placement, nothing but the job only. Okay. And the people, I see a lot of students have joined with some random names. So I request all of you people, those who are there, all the students, please ensure rename yourself. Some 87 is there, Hard Hacker, Devil's Dad. Please don't keep such names. I request all of you online folks, please rename yourself to whatever name is your official name is there. Keep that. Hard Hacker is all not a recommended name. Please rename yourself, especially that 81, 87%, whomever is there. Okay, fine. So ultimately, all of us here for louder, guys. If this is the way class is going to happen, it will become too boring. I mean, try to understand. We have to have fun in the classes also, na? Okay. By the way, before I start, let me introduce myself. I'm Arun Kumar Ganiger. I'm a trainer at V10 for Solutions, and my designation is Chief Technical Officer. I'll be the trainer for your batch. I'm the primary trainer. Of course, along with my other trainers also will be there. I'll not be teaching everything. Along with my other trainers also will be there, but I'll be your primary trainer for the batch. Okay. And from the day one, let's have a quite friendly, healthy relationship between us. I mean, it should not happen that one fine day I fall sick and you'll be like, yes, leave today. Let's have friendly environment today, so that if at all you people have any doubt, any confusion, you should feel free to ask. I don't want to be a too strict person. I'm a pretty jolly person by nature, and whatever I am there outside the class, I'm inside the same. And I personally interact with the students as my own friends. I truly believe student and trainer should become very good friends. Then only classes will happen. If I'm being too strict or too rigid with you, that I don't like it. You also be frank, I also be frank. Can I expect that? Online folks, can I expect that? I mean, can we be a little friendly with each other? Possible, na? Very good. Perfect. Good. I need everybody to respond, guys. So many people are there and very few people are responding. I need faster response. Fast. Everybody. Okay. Fast, fast. Good. Perfect. Okay then. So the point is, as of now, consider you are somebody here. Consider. Photo person. You are this person, okay? And what do you want is job. And I don't like the job only. Say our dream job. What, not just any job, whatever we wish for, whatever we dream for, that we should get. Then there is a fun, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, sir. So as of now, you are the person. And if you need to get the job, don't you think you have to go through with whatever is written on the board? Each and every skill you should be able to possess well. You should become pretty proficient in that. I don't say expert in that, but at least proficient in that. Do you agree? And whenever I do hand like this, I expect online folks to respond, guys. Okay? Perfect. All of us have to be pretty much proficient, pretty much skilled, confident about each and everything written, whatever is written over there. Agree? Agree? Perfect. And is it okay, sir? Half of the things I know, half of the things I don't know. Chalega? Is it okay? Over here? Guys, I told you, you have to be interacting with me throughout the session, every day. Perfect. Only one person. Two. Fast. Too slow. You have to be rapid fast like this. Perfect. So one thing is also clear. Unless you possess these skills, no miracle gonna happen. You, each and everybody, have to learn, have to become very good, very confident in each and every skills. Partial knowledge is no use. That is also clear to you guys. And if you all have to get this job, all of us have to understand each and every nook and corner, every technology, every aspect, every skill thoroughly. Practiced well, you have to gain the confidence, then only you'll get the job. Am I right? Okay, now? Okay, sir. I mean, before I get into the technical discussion and all, one small chotu thing I have to discuss with you. In this journey, whatever skills are there, and whatever areas I'll gonna teach, or any other trainer comes, because aptitude and all, I'll not be training, other trainers will be there. Each one of us, I repeat, each one of us will put our 100% effort from our end. I repeat, each one of us, not just me, each one of us will put equal amount of efforts, that is 100% of effort, truly dedicated towards our classes. Whatever classes are going to be conducted here, every single trainer, every single technology, every single class, every single concept will be delivered to you with the best possible way. That I guarantee. Am I clear? But is it okay? We put great amount of effort and you'll be like, is that okay? Or you also need to put efforts? You also need to put efforts, yes, no? Everybody in every technology or every skill, every single class, is it okay? One fine day I come, after 10 days I come, after 20 days I come. Is that okay? It's not going to happen, right? See, it's a journey. A couple of months of journey is there. Some 3-4 months of journey is there. In this journey, I expect the same from you. If we are putting efforts, we are showing dedication. If we are putting real efforts from our end, we are sincere about what we are doing it, I expect the same from you. Shall I expect? And am I expecting too much from you? Am I expecting this much? That is bare minimum required. Unless you learn, there is no point whatever we do. Do you agree? Okay, guys. So can I say in more or less simple terms, if we put efforts, that is not enough. You only put efforts, that's not going to happen. We will put effort for sure. And don't you think, unless we both, we means all the trainers, entire staff of we stand for you, and you people, all of us, when put efforts together, then only that handshake will happen. Do you agree? And trust me, it's something which is doable. Frankly, I'm telling you, by the way, all of you, how many of you are from CS branch? All of you online folks, I expect you to respond in chat, whatever is your branch. If you're from engineering, if you're from non-engineering, whatever is your graduation. Quick, whatever is your branch, respond in chat. If at all you're from non-engineering background, whatever, BCA, BSc, MCA, whatever is that. Respond fast. EE, okay, CSE, IES, okay, civil, okay, perfect. Short forms, I mean, I love short forms, guys. No need to type computer science, engineering and all. Short forms are great. BTech, CSE, perfect. Few of them are over here. How many are from CSIS? CS. Anybody from Mac? Electrical? ECE? Doesn't matter for me. For me, everything is same. And no matter how great programmer you had been into your college days, I'll start from scratch. I will not consider that you know it and then assume and none. Even if you're expert, champions, I'll start from considering you have no idea, you have never done programming in life, you don't know what is that. From there, I will start. Is that comfortable? I mean, especially to CSIS people, I'll tell you, reason is initial 4 or 5 days or 6 days of timing, whatever is that is there for the people, those who are never done programming. So I will start from scratch and you should not feel, I have done it in kids era. When I was a kid, when I was in kindergarten, that time only I have learned these kind of programs. Or, I know that. Wait for a few days. And whatever program is written, how many of you think that I can explain everything about it? How many of you think, type I in chat if you can explain? Don't worry, matter of few days. Hardly 15 class, you give me 10, 15 class. Whatever code is written, I have written it now, wait for a few days, you will write it. And not just writing the code is not important. Explaining what is happening behind the screen, behind the scene, what is happening. If I write this, if I try to execute, if I want to execute, what is going to happen? Step by step, every single thing Not just single thing, I will say every single dot also. If you see many people places I have kept the dots. Agree na? Some places semicolon is there, some places this curly braces is there, some places this chotu bracket parenthesis is there, some places if you see, yeah, square brackets is there, different things are there. Somewhere I have written uppercase, somewhere I have written lowercase. See, starting with lowercase, ending then uppercase. Why like this? Are you getting my point? Every single detail, every single dot will be explained, and in such a way that you will be able to explain to me. See, ultimately in interview you have to answer. If you write a program, they can ask any question. Agree? And you should be able to explain every single question with proof, not in air. You have to practically prove that if you're saying something that should meet the requirement, right? That I guarantee. And that will be assured from my end. 100% of effort is that you just need to do what? Follow instruction. Do what I ask you. Am I clear? Agree? So just to get you the glimpse of what training will happen, how will happen and all, can I show you a little small, little photo, 5-7 minutes of video? Shall I? Online folks, are you ready? Okay, I'll just wipe the board so that we will start it. And don't worry, from the day one, we are not getting into boring activities of programming. And by the way, this video is not for fun. This video has a great message. And I'll ask detail about the video. Whatever I'm going to show you, I'll ask questions on that. So you don't see that important thing is there, and we have to understand something out of that video. That is the reason I'm showing you. Focus, and I'll ask questions. Online folks, you have to respond. Shall we start?
Not audible at all. No, but at least we could go through the video, we could watch it, right? What is the video all about? What are the video all about? Video. Am I audible now at least? Hello. Am I audible?
Guys, yeah, perfect, good. So what is that video was all about? Respond in chat. How about you guys? What was the video was all about? One. Yes, buddy. Indian Army, commando, their struggle, what they go through with, effort matters, and few words will keep coming in between. Most important is no pain. I'll make a note of it. No. And do you agree with this? Whole purpose was to show you. The reason is, if you could see these professionals, those who, I mean, they are not commandos yet. They are in the training phase, right? So till the time they are in training phase, they are called professionals. Like you, okay? So point is, here also training is happening. Here what kind of training is happening? Software training is happening. Agree? There, commando training is happening. Agree? And did you see the level of pain, struggle, challenge these people go through? Did you see? All of you? Respond in chat. No fighting is not happening, Appa. Monica, no fighting is not happening there. So it's about the training. It's about the commando training. These are called para commandos, one of the best elite forces of Indian Army is called para commandos, right? And did you see the level of training they go through? How many kilometers run they were doing? We can't even imagine doing it. Agree, na? And they are doing it, and this is not one day activity. Whole day, morning 7 a.m. start running till evening they'll be running it. Then other activities are also involved: rope climbing and long jumping. Rope climbing is there, and running over the, what do you call, crawling over the mud. Did you see that? Everything is happening. And do you think these people are like very senior or aged person, or they are also of your age? Do you agree? Agree? And do you see the amount of effort they are putting? Agree, na? If they can do it, can't you? No, I am not asking you to literally go through with that much of pain. Of course, our training will not be that challenging as a para commander. Our training will be quite light, listen, like easy. It will not be tough. And if at all you feel programming is very tough, anybody feel? No, nobody feel. I mean, I used to feel when I started, I used to hate programming a lot. And I have decided I'll never do programming in my life. It's my parents who made me get into this journey, and today I'm next to you. Anybody who hate programming over here? All of your passionate programmers, huh? Seriously? Oh, wow. That's a great sign for me. Okay, fine, no problem. Funda is, even if you are not happy with coding, if you something which coding is not my cup of tea, if you feel like so, but few days. Whatever code was written, no? Hardly 10-15 days. You only will do it. And chalo, forget about that code. I'll tell you one thing. Whenever we start coding, biggest challenge is whatever trainer explained, he wrote the code, executed, works fine. The moment we write, lot of errors comes. Agree, this happens? Usually this happens. I guarantee within 5 days. 5 days of demos are going on, right? Louder. 5 days of demos going. Within 5 days itself, I'll write the code. You will tell, no sir, error will come. No sir, yes, this program is correct. If correct, what output will come? You will only tell. Are you listening? Online folks, respond in chat, quick. Hey, slow responses are there. So many people are there. You should be like lightning fast. Now it's coming. Good. So the funda, what I am committing it, listen very carefully. I will write the code. You will tell, sir, error is there, sir. No, sir, no error. It will work fine. If it works fine, what output is coming? This confidence, I'll ensure to get in 5 days. Am I clear? Within 5 days, each one of you will get it, provided. I mean, conditions are there. Provided you come to the classes every day. You're not supposed to bunk any of the classes. Second, no point of coming to the classes and using mobile phone. I mean, online folks, I request you guys, please stop using your phone and see, hardly a couple of hours of training is happening. During this training, at least this time, be 100% focused to what you're doing. And we all know how much great level of studies we have done during our graduation time. Let's not repeat the same. For few months, couple of months time is there. And that to be couple of hours a day, I'll take the sessions. During the session, with full dedication, with complete determination, I expect you to focus on the studies. Is it possible? Doable, right? Okay. And especially online folks, I humble request you, if you really want to get the best of the training, keep your phone away and log into your laptop. Only the Zoom session should be on, and throughout the session, I'll be asking questions to you. You are expected to respond. Possible? Can you do it? Online folks, quick. Hello. Little slow, no problem. Funda, simple and clear. There is no magic gonna happen over here. I will start from literally from scratch, believing nobody has ever done programming. From that point, I'll start. But I assure you what, within 5 days, you will gain the confidence, irrespective of what code is written. Everything you will be able to understand what is happening behind the screen. If I write a code, any problem comes, any error is there, you will be able to immediately identify. Not just identify, error will come, sir. Exact error I need. Exact error means dot to dot, word to word, exact word I want from your. Then only the confidence comes. Agree, na? Hai na? That will happen within 5 days. I guarantee. Am I clear? have anyway 5 days of time is there na for demo. You focus. And in these 5 days, you find out two things. How many things? Am I the right person to train you? Whatever I'm explaining you, are you understanding or not? Am I capable enough to explain you the program? Am I capable to write the program properly or not? Are you understanding or not? One. Second, identify, is it the right place to learn or not? Because ultimately it's your parents' hard-earned money. I don't want you to waste simply. You focus, learn what I ask you to do, you follow my instructions, and if you gain the confidence which I am committing to, that you will be able to tell everything, whatever I'm going to write or program. If you gain the confidence, then you make the decision. Before that only, if you feel I can definitely do it, whatever Arun sir is saying, that is making sense to me. Am I clear? Yes. And does not matter if one or like 10, 15 people are there or hundreds of people are there. Dedication from my end will be same to each and every people. Even if hundreds and hundreds of people are there, same attention to each and every one will be there. Even if handful of people are there, still same dedication will be there from my end. You don't need to worry about it. Agree? And did you see one more thing in that video? Somewhere somebody was breaking their phone. Why? Because during the training time they were using phone. So same here, guys. If you are using phone in my class, I'll not break it, of course, but I expect you not to use the phone. One humble request. When you are coming here for a couple of hours, at that time, during that class time, what is happening? Do that. And you all, I'm sure all of you would agree to me. What I'm going to say is 10th over, 12th over, graduation also over. And we had been listening from the childhood, complete 10th life will be set, complete 12th life will be set, complete graduation. This is the last chance. After this, you cannot do any other course. Graduation done? Agree, na? Everything over? Now is the only time. Either you can make it or break it. Because after this course, don't expect that you will do one more course. This is the last course you are doing in your life to gain the career, right? This is the last moment when you must put your best of efforts. Literally, heart won't tell you need to put. That is the expectation I have from your end. And you see the level of commitment these commandos have. They are from your age only. Agree, na? If they can do that much of difficult training, where literally blood, sweat, and they don't get to sleep, that much I am not going to trouble you. I'm not going to torture you at that level. But can I expect the same level of dedication from your end? Once again, this is the level of energy we need to maintain in class. Okay, over here, unless I ask, you will not respond, yeah? Good, perfect. Okay, good. So before anything else, let me ask you something, a simple question. All of you want the job. That is the reason we are here, right? Agree? And I guarantee you one thing, if you put efforts, the what I am expecting you, if you are being regular to the classes, if you are studying sincerely, if you are focusing during the classes, if you are attending all the classes, completing all the assignments, whichever I'm going to give you on the, like almost every day, I'll be giving you some other chotu task. Not too complicated, but some or other activity will be given to you almost every day. Some time will come when I'll be giving you bigger challenging tasks, and I'll ensure to keep the time too less so that you have to put maximum effort. No matter what happens, you need to deliver the best of yours. If you fail to do so, if you're facing issues, any error is coming, don't worry. Do not hesitate. Feel free to reach out. From the day one, I want to clear one thing. There is nothing called silly doubt or something. If you have a doubt, raise your hand. I'll stop the whole class, address your doubt first. Applicable to all of you guys, online folks. If you have a doubt, if you didn't, I explained something you didn't understand, then immediately then and there, sir, I didn't understand. You raise your hand. I guarantee nobody can make fun of you. Nobody can laugh at you. I'll address your doubt first. Online, offline, both. Okay? Am I clear? Online folks? K is enough for me. Good. Faster response. I expect you to ask your doubts if you have. Reason? If I explain something, as per me, I explain. You should understand. If you didn't understand, how will I get to know? Unless you tell. And not just once. I explained something you didn't understand. You told, sir, I didn't understand. Explain once again. I explained once again. Still, I didn't understand. Ask again. In different example, I'll explain. Different way, I'll explain. I'll take the different scenario. I'll make as simple as possible. Making you understand crystal clear. I repeat, make you understand everything crystal clear is my job. And I ensure that will happen. Irrespective of topic, irrespective of any program, I'll ensure everything you will understand. If you are not understanding, be honest to yourself and raise your hand, sir, I didn't. I'll explain. Not once, twice, thrice, n number of times, 10 times, 20 times if it takes, I'll explain. You don't need to worry about it. You just be frank. And do I look like so strict with you? Pretty frank guy, na? You happily tell, and I ensure if you are asking a doubt, I ensure nobody can laugh at it. Because it usually happens like if in front of so many people, how do I ask a doubt? What if somebody laugh at me? Nobody can laugh at it. If you are having a doubt, you're here to learn, I'm here to teach. In between both of us, nobody can make fun between us. You be frank, you ask, I'll explain. No matter how much time it takes. Even if a dot problem is there, I'll explain. Initially, when I start the programming explanation and so on, that time, so many things will be written. I'll not explain everything. I'll start with one choto area, small piece of code that I'll explain, and slowly, gradually, I'll start adding things into that. Are you getting my point? Because Java programming is something from the day one you cannot understand everything, even if I explain. That will go bouncer to you. So one area I'll explain. Then after a couple of days, next topic I'll explain, next area. So matter of few days, whatever was written over here on the board, you will be comfortable with handling. Not just what is written, behind the screen what is happening, you will be able to. Am I clear? Everybody over here, are you all ready? Faster, guys. Only few people are responding. So many people are there. Fast. Faster, faster. Okay. All of you need the job, right? Agree? Which job? Any job? Random job? Tea wala? Bandi? Chai bandi? Bhaji bandi? Chai? Which job you want? IT job. Okay. All of you over here? Are online folks? Which job you want? Coolie? Huh? Taxi driver. Faster. Only one person responded. Fast. A job in? Guys, you have to keep responding, guys. Online folks, please. I mean, class will not be making truly sense unless you respond. Please. Perfect. All of need the job in IT, right? What does IT stand for? That I know. Apart from that, you tell what is IT all about? IT, what is IT? Information. Okay, sir. What is an IT all about? Any idea? Software? Somewhere software development, you are telling somebody? Okay. Something where somewhere or other software related field, right? Software field, am I right? Agree, na? And if I need to tell you, entire software industry is running based on something called data. Have you heard? What is data? Storing information digitally. Storing information into the system is nothing but called. And data is the new fuel of the era, right? Everywhere data is bleeding like anything. Point. If we all are here, where? In the looking for the job in? Looking for the job in IT. We are aspiring to become a software developer who will be doing software development, right? How to do it? There should be some procedure, na? That do this, do this. What is that? Huh? It's a one more question. If I ask a question, if you give a wrong answer, No problem. You give wrong. Unless I explain, you tell whatever you want. How to do software building, do kushti, do wrestling. You do whatever answer you give, I have no issues. I'll explain and get the right answer. As of now, I just want to start. So just to start the conversation, I need some input from you. What is software all about? How to build the software? There should be some standard procedures. Anybody heard? Anybody has any idea? Online folks? Perfect. Faster response. Online folks, how to build a software? Hmm. 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 Okay. Anybody else? Somebody saying? Day. Okay, then let it be wrong. If you're comfortable in Telugu, you tell in Telugu. No problem. I have no issue. I mean, I can understand little bit. Okay, na? But if you're comfortable in whichever language you tell, what collection? Then to do what with that? Over here, code the solution through programming. Very good, online folks. Thank you for responding. Ultimately, there is a standard procedure. There is something called standard procedure. What is the standard procedure all about? Known as earlier you were supposed to tell that, no? What does it? Some standard procedures are there to be followed in order to build a louder. In order to build a software, some standard procedures called. I expect response from your end. Something called SDLC. We don't know anything about it. Fine. But something called SDLC. CSIS people might have heard about these terms. Nodding heads. Full form at least. What is this called as? Prepare a project plan. Good. Full form of SDLC, online folks. Software development life cycle. Am I right? SDLC stands for software development life cycle. And while responding, I expect each one of you to respond, so that energy will be maintained in class. Else you will get bored. And I'll tell you, I have some magical powers. I can deliver the lecture in such a way, all of you, each one of you will fall asleep. All of you will be, I don't want that lecture. Do you want it? Respond properly with energy. Active response I want. Shall we start? Okay, sir. SDLC stand for, what is it all about? It is the standard procedures to be followed in order to build a software. And few phases are there. Steps are there. Few phases are there. Total, very good. Total 7 steps are there. Would you like to? Directly. First design, then that is only same. Next, then no problem. Let's get started. Perfect. Let me start with the very first phase. Okay, the first phase of SDLC stand for read with me. First step, I expect you to respond, guys, in response. What is the first step? I expect you to respond, each one of you. Even if short form is there, that's fine. RQR, GATR, that is fine for me. I expect you to respond, all of you guys. Folks, please, online. Okay, so first step is requirement gathering. Why is it required to gather the requirement? What is the need of this step? Why are we doing it? Any idea? Let me listen to you, then I'll explain. Why are you doing requirement gathering? To get some ideas, okay? Give wrong answers also, no problem. Chalega. You just tell something. I'll correct you, no problem. Why are we doing requirement gathering? Hmm? To understand what client want to be developed. Perfect. Over here, madam. Why are we doing requirement gathering? To understand what, to understand client's perspective, right? Perfect. Over here, very good. No, not all the steps, people. One by one we'll go. Okay. Step by step we will proceed. I expect you to respond and walk along with me, neither behind me nor ahead of. Okay. Slowly. First step is what? Requirement gathering. Let me, before getting into the technical discussion, let me ask you a simple scenario. Okay. I mean, there are many industries are there. Say, for example, all of you are Gen Z era people. So I am sure all of you are using many apps these days. Yes or no? Yes. Say, consider, I mean, me being a pretty foodie person, as you can see. Okay. Somewhere at midnight, 11:30, 12 is the time. Okay. Very hungry. And I don't want to cook anything, Maggie or and all. I want to eat something really delicious food. Okay. Give me some suggestions of nice snack item. Like biryani. Okay. Apart from that, biryani. All biryani lovers are there. Madam, biryani. Apart from biryani, momos. Coffee will not fill my tummy. Anna. Look at my size. Anna. Pizza. Now you are talking pizza and burger or shawarma. Very good. Next, momos. You consider any of this dish. I want it, but I don't want to cook it. What is the solution? What do I do? At midnight, 11:30 is the time. Online using Zomato or Swiggy or any other platform like this. Do you agree? Online, folks. What are very good pizza? Very good. Angel. Okay, good. What are the applications are available in market to order food? Nothing but Swiggy, Zomato, and many other are there. Let's not get into the detail. I want to take a requirement where we will be building such applications. Which applications? Those who are helpful to order food online. Requirement is clear. What actually application is? We need to build an application where somebody can, using our application, place an order for food and get the food. Are you getting my point? Okay. In this case, what will happen? Few people will be involved into this process. One person who is placing the order. Somebody who is placing the order is called customer. Agree? Somebody who is placing the order is nothing but a customer. And somebody who is preparing somewhere, that somewhere is where? Where the food will be prepared? Restaurant. In a restaurant, food will be prepared. Customer want the food. Food is being prepared at the restaurant. So they are in the same place or different places? Customer at home, restaurant is somewhere else. Somebody will take, and then who is that somebody who will take the food from restaurant and deliver it here? That person is called delivery partner. Am I right? Everybody? Okay, good. So how many people are involved? Online folks, total how many people are involved in this process? One, customer. Another is the restaurant employees. Third one is, am I clear? Only few people are responding. Not everybody is responding, guys. Okay, 3 people are responding. Customer will place the order, what dish they want. Restaurant will prepare whatever dish has been placed as an order. Delivery partner will take the prepared dish and deliver it the customer doorstep. Am I clear? In this scenario, consider customer using our application. Customer has placed an order. Restaurant has received the order, prepared it, and ready to be shipped. Somebody will come and pick. Who is that somebody? Louder. Delivery partner has picked the order. Then after some time, say he has reached to the customer doorstep, because he would have all the address, contact details, everything of the customer, right? Reached to the delivery step. Then what should I say? Consider I am the delivery partner. I have reached to the doorstep of the customer. Now what do I do, sir? I have to call whom? Customer. I have to call the customer, sir. I have reached, your parcel has arrived. Please receive it. Agree? Suppose delivery partner has called the customer. Customer is busy, didn't respond. Then what to do? Immediately cancel the order. Huh? Then send a message. I have texted a message. Done. After that, or shall I try? Let me try one more time. Shall I? I tried once again, didn't respond. I tried many times, not responding. Now, possibility is there. Scenario, are you getting my point? Delivery partner has reached to the customer doorstep, but customer is not picking the call. Agree? Possible, na? Happens at times. In this scenario, I'll give you few options. You need to choose the right option. What should be done in this scenario? First option. Keep on calling unless customer die. Keep on calling unless customer die. One option. Second option. See, he has placed the order. Whatever order he placed, we have prepared, ready to ship, deliver at the doorstep. Customer might be busy in some meeting or some other activity, might be in washroom, might be taking bath, whatever. He wanted the food. Let's drop it at the doorstep. Whenever customer open the door, food is right next to him. Second option. First option, keep on calling. Second option, deliver at their doorstep. Agree? Third option. Anyway, customer is not responding. Take the parcel back and give it to restaurant. Clear? Three options. Fourth option. Customer placed order, not receiving it. Even if I give the parcel back to the restaurant, they cannot give this order to somebody else. They need fresh food, hot food. This is no more hot, but by the time I reach back to the restaurant, customer is not picking. Restaurant don't need it. Our delivery partner is a very poor fellow. What do you say? Let our delivery partner only have the food. Four options clear? I repeat. First option, keep. Second option, drop it at the doorstep. Third option, put it back to the restaurant. Fourth option, let the delivery partner enjoy. What do you say? These are the four possibilities there. Wait. I expect all of you guys, online folks, 1, 2, 3, 4, your answers. Faster. Over here. Anybody with first option? Keep calling. Second option. Okay, couple of people with the second option. What? Leave at the doorstep. Whatever. Whenever you open the door, he will eat it, or some dog will come and take it. Okay, fine. Third option, give it back to restaurant. Fourth option. Anybody with fourth option? Okay, few people are. Third option, fourth option. Okay, over here, second option, drop it at the doorstep, or fourth option, few people are. So few of them with the second option, few of them with the fourth option, nobody is with the first or third. Agree? My question is simple to you. Are you the decision maker, or are you a developer of the application? We are what? Developers, right? We are supposed to develop it. In this scenario, what needs to be done? Who will decide? Are we supposed to take the decision? Is it our business? Somebody else's business is there, na? Let's say suppose Swiggy guy is there, or somebody is there who want to deliver this, who want to build this application. They know what needs to be done in this scenario. Or shall we take the decision? I am building that application, I will decide whatever I want. Is that the way? No. What we should do? We should get the clarity of the requirement. As part of louder. This phase is critically important to know at what moment of time what should be done. Are you getting my point? Everybody, why are we doing requirement gathering? So such scenarios are there. If this happens, what to do? Failures are there. Are you getting my point? In these scenarios, what should we do at decision making? Who will do? Client is the one who wants the application to be built from us. Agree? Some company, say ABCD company is there. ABCD company owner will decide what should be done. Agree? And they will simply tell it, or they will properly document everything into one document. If this happens, do this. If this happens, do this. If that happens, do this. If this does not work, do this action. Agree? Who will give us? Client will give us. The one who wants the software to be built from us. Agree? Everybody? This phase for that only, to get the requirements in particular scenario, what action should be taken. Making sense? and that requirement information should be written into one document. Read with me. CRS or BR. CRS stands for Customer Requirement Specification. With me, Customer Requirement Specification or Business Requirement Document. Once again, Customer Requirement Specification, or they will write one document and give it to us. They will means from their end, there would be somebody called BA or PA, business analyst or product analyst. From there, from the client company, somebody will come and tell us, this is what we wanted. These are the terms and conditions written. This is what we want to be built. Agree? Agree? Who are those people? Business analyst or product analyst. Agree? They will tell us, this is what we need to be built. Am I clear? And is it our duty to follow whatever they want to build, or can we build whatever we want? What do you say? Option 1, what they say, let's build the application like this, or whatever we want. Option 1, option online folks, quick, option 1 is making sense to us. Whatever customer want, client want, that we should be building it. Agree? Am I clear? And how do we get to know what customer want? As part of which phase? Requirement gathering phase. As part of which document? CSR or BRD? CSR stand for Customer Requirement Specification or Business Requirement Document. Who are these people, those who are building it? Business analyst or? Am I right? Okay, sir. People, those who are building this document, they are non-technical people. What do you mean by non-technical people? They are not, they don't understand coding, programming, and these things. They don't know the technology at all. They are somebody, they are good in their field. In their business, they are very good into it. And they want, this need to be built. This, whichever document is the BRD or CRS, this is a non-technical document. Just they will tell, okay, I want this, I want this, I want this. A non-technical document is given to us. Am I clear? After this, what is the next phase would be? Come on. Second phase of SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. Where first phase is requirement gathering, where we get to know all the details, what needs to be built. Agree? Now we know what needs to be built. That is clear. In this scenario, what needs to be done and all, every single combination or detail is clear to us. It's a non-technical document. So what will happen? Over here, as part of the analysis phase, our technical people will sit and analyze the entire product. What product needs to be built, that needs to be analyzed. In this phase of software analysis phase, they will analyze few details like what is the duration of the project it would take. Say if they have given a requirement, how much time would it take to deliver? Is it okay to, say for example, client gave the requirement, I want this to be built, and they say tomorrow I want it. Okay, one day how can we build it? When to deliver? Can we deliver after 5 years? That clarity should be there now. That also will be analyzed by our technical people. We will tell who are there. What needs to be built, that is clear. And how much time it would take. What is the budget of the project? That is required, na? How many people required to deliver this application in this time? Say they said 6 months we want to deliver. How many people required to complete this project within 6 months? Able to imagine? This planning required, not required? Required, na? In order to build a software product, we have to do every single planning. What needs to be built, that is clear. In how many duration, how much is the time required, what is the budget allocated for this project? Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Everybody, what is the budget of the project? What is the duration of the project? These details will be analyzed as part of the analysis phase. And of course, this is called software analysis, basically. If I need to tell, software analysis will happen in this. Agree? Agree? And they will also create one document. That document will be called as, now what you are telling is this. Earlier you were telling SRS or FRD. Software Requirement Specification or Functional Requirement Document. I repeat with me. Software requirement specification or functional requirement document. This will be a technical document. Technical document means in this phase, all technical details will be involved. Okay, if this is the requirement, this much of technology and other technical aspects will be added into it. Okay, na? This will be a technical document. Okay, who are these people who are building it? These are called either PM, PL, or SME. I repeat, project managers. Our technical project manager will be there, na? Yes, whom we will be reporting. Agree, na? All the developers will be reporting to project manager. For the entire project, one lead will be there. From our side, SME means subject matter expert. And stop writing, guys. I'll give you ample amount of time. As of now, you focus on learning. Okay, na? Focus here. Listen. Project manager. I need loud and clear response, guys. Fast. Faster. Project manager, project lead, subject matter expert will decide all the technical documents should be written. Agree? Am I clear? So first we got raw information. As the requirement, this needs to be built, this needs to be built, this is that. That was a non-technical document. Who has created the technical document? Project manager, project lead, subject matter expert. As part of that document is called SRS, Software Requirement Specification, or FRD, Functional Requirement Document. Am I clear? And this FRD or SRS, whatever has been built, this will be referred to all the other steps. Now, whatever steps we will follow, all of us will follow one document. Am I clear? Now, the next phase is, let me write down. First phase is requirement gathering. Second phase is software analysis. Third phase is software designing. What is the purpose of this phase? Software designing. Any idea? Wait a minute, I'll just correct it. Some typo was there. Analysis, right? Okay, sir. As part of the software designing phase, this is something where we will create a prototype. Come front, madam. Come front, come front. Start along. Okay. Now listen one thing. What needs to be built? That has given as part of the louder response. Louder response. As part of the requirement gathering. What needs to be built? And then we have done what? Analysis. To understand more technical aspects about the project. When to complete, which technology to be used, what is the budget of the project, how many people required to complete the project, all these analysis we have done it. Agree? Then what is the next step? Software designing. In this phase, what they do, okay, sir, you wanted end product should look like this. We'll create one chotu prototype of it. Simulator. So this is the end product. We are creating a chotu product to just to show that, sir, this is how our end product would look like. This is not the ready built product. One prototype. Prototype, you understand? And say, for example, multiplex apartments are there. To build the apartments, they do one chotu simulator they have created, right? Focus here, please, madam. Okay. This is nothing but a small design of the actual project will be created. Why? Why are we creating this? To get the confirmation from the client that, sir, we understood this is what you wanted. And we have done our analysis. And as per ourselves, our understanding, accordingly, this is what the end product would look like. Are you comfortable? Is this what you want to do? Before we start, you tell us. If you are 100% okay, then we will start. If you want any changes to be made, let's do it now. I mean, that should not happen, that will the entire project and then say, no, I didn't want this, I wanted something. Get the clarity here. Are you getting my point? Later, he should not cry, no, I didn't want this, I want that, this is not. Everything is documented. Later, he cannot change. Why are we documenting? If tomorrow he changes, nah, proof is there. You only said you wanted this one. Agree, na? And we have showed a prototype also. A small design we have created and showed you. Is this the exact what you want? You agreed, then only we proceeded. Yet now we have not started our coding anything, nothing, right? Software development yet not started. As of now, we want the confirmation. Whatever you want us to build, is it something like this? Simulators, prototype, blueprint. Agree? In this phase, one prototype will be created. What will be created? Prototype. Okay, na? Who will be creating them? Now our technical people come into picture. Who? DBA or SA or UI UXD. Let me help you with that. First one, DBA stand for database administrator. They will decide how much big database is required to build this application. This application may produce how much amount of data. Accordingly, they'll design the database. Agree? And SA, software architect. Architect is somebody which is the highest, one of the technical highest post. It's called software solution architect, software architect. These are the experts of our software industry. They will decide which technology should be used, what all database should be used. And now, do you understand? We started with absolutely raw information, then slowly, gradually, step by step, we are getting towards the technical details. Now we know which technology should be used. Agree? What database should be used? All these decisions. And UI UX stand for user interface, user experience designers. Designers will be there. They'll create one end page. You know, web page. Understand, na? Are you able to relate with me what I'm telling, guys? Online folks, quick confirm. Are you all able to understand? Yeah. Now, initially we got the requirement, raw information. Step by step, we are proceeding towards the technical aspects of our project. And here we create one blueprint or prototype and show to the customer, client, sir, is this the what you want? Yes. This is where UI UX developer will create one small design of the actual project. Sir, this is how a simulation will be there for your project. Are you ready? If any changes is there, let's do it here. Whatever changes are there, let's document here. We'll create the technical document for that. And then we'll create one simulator or prototype of the requirement. Am I clear? Everybody? Yet we have not got our hands dirty with the actual development. Now our actual development start. That is nothing but the next step. What is the next step would be? Any idea? What would be the next step? Yes, just a moment. Okay, sir. What is the next step we have? We have next step as can I write software as short form? Software development will happen. And what exactly will happen in this phase, if I need to tell, that is nothing but the do you agree? Who are these people? Who are these people? We are only the developers. Believe us. Then we are called software developer, or of course called as programmers. Am I right? Okay, sir. I'll rephrase everything. Client wanted the software to be built. We are the one, those who are going to build the software. Am I clear? Everybody? Okay. Client company say ABCD is there. Our company is a V stand for resolution. Agree? Am I clear? Okay, sir. As part of V stand for resolution, first step, what did we do? We have got all the requirement, what is required to be built. In which phase, in which situation, what action should be taken. As part of the, louder guys, as part of the respond, as part of the requirement gathering. I expect you to respond online, guys. First step is requirement gathering. As part of the requirement gathering, one document called CRS, customer requirement specification, or requirement document. This is a non-technical document where details of the project is there. Who built this document? Business analyst or product analyst, product or project analyst. Am I clear? They have created a non-technical document. Then somebody from our team who who are those people? Project manager, project lead, or subject matter expert of that industry, right? Somebody from our side also go and discuss about the details of that project, who know idea about that particular industry. So, getting my point? Okay, sir. They will create one document called SRS, software requirement specification, or FRD, functional requirement document. Am I clear? This will be a technical document. As per this technical document, which one? FRD, we will do software design, where a chotu prototype will be created. Who are these people? Database administrator, software architect, or UI UX developers. Agree? Am I clear? This much is done, sir. When customer give the confirmation, yes, this is exactly I want, sir. This is what I want to be built. Let's get started with the software development, where what are we going to do actually? Or coding. Agree? Who are these people? Software developers or programmers. Am I right? Till here come done. Can I say this is the actual phase when we come into the picture? Am I right? We are not going to interact with the client and all. What do we want? You give one document, what needs to be built. That document is our FRD or SRS. Agree, na? You give us the SRS, software requirement specification. As per this document, we will build the software. Am I right? By writing coding or programming. Am I right? Okay, I will prefer one word, that is enough for me. Okay, na? We will write programming, we will do programming, and we are the software developers. Am I right? Can I say actual software development is happening? Am I right? Till here we were getting the details, we were analyzing. Actual coding is happening here. Agree? Can I say product will be built in this phase only? Everybody? Okay, sir, product has been built. Since we geniuses are working, product will be built. What's the big deal? Okay, now product has been built. Let's give it to the client. No. Why? The point is, as per us, we are genius. No guarantee. Whatever requirement was given to us, we would have built the software exactly function as per the functional requirement. Might be some mistakes would be there. Those mistakes are nothing but called bugs in the application. What are they called? Bugs. Okay, na? If at all any issue is there, they wanted this to be developed and we have developed something else. That is not acceptable, right? We need to develop as per the FRD. Am I right? Who will ensure that things are working fine or not? Our software is actually functioning as per the FRD or not? Who will ensure this? Then next phase come into the picture. What is the next phase, sir? Software testing come into picture, where our few people, who are those people? They are called QAE. What are they called? What are they called as? QAE, not UAE. Quality Assurance Engineer, or also called as what you are telling, software tester. So there is a dedicated team, those who are expert in finding out the bugs. Are you getting my point? If any mistake is there, these are the people to ensure to find out the bug. Am I clear? And what are they actually doing it? What are these people doing? Software testing. Am I right? They are doing software testing as per what? That thing should work like this, as per the FRD. So, do you remember? From this step onwards, whatever activities are happening as per this only. Designing will happen as per the FRD. Development will happen as per the. Testing also will happen as per the. Am I clear? Agree, na? So all the steps follow what? FRD or SRS. Am I clear? Okay, sir. So these quality assurance engineers will find out what requirement was given like this. Our software, whichever has been built as part of the software development, this software, is it functioning as per the requirement or not? Or there is some gaps are there? Who are these people to identify? They are called software testers. Am I clear? Everybody over here, are you all getting my point? Everybody crystal clear? Folks, everybody? Great, guys. Okay, focus. Sir, can I say software development is done? We have ensured everything is working fine. Now let's hand over the software to the client, right? Agree, na? So this phase is called software deployment. What does it mean by this? Whatever software we have built, this is ready to be used by people across the globe. Agree? Don't worry, I'll give you dictation, everything. You focus as well. Pay attention. Software deployment is something, whatever product we have built. We have built a software product. Agree? Louder. This software product should be ready to use for a whole world, customers across the globe. Agree? So we will deploy on somewhere. Deploy means putting the software application on a machine which can be accessed by all the people. Agree na? This process of delivering the software to the client is called deployment. In this case, in one of the system of the client, the one who wants the software, we will take the software and put it on their machine. Are you getting my point? Typically speaking, that is called a server. On a server, we will deploy it. What is server? Nothing but a computer which is at a higher end configuration, which should be always up and running. We will deploy our application there. From that machine, everybody, all the people across the globe can communicate and do the business. Are you getting my point, everybody? Am I clear? I'll rephrase everything. What did we got? Requirement. What needs to be built as part of the louder? What needs to be built? We got as part of the requirement gathering. Louder, guys. Come on. First step is requirement gathering. As part of the requirement gathering, we have got one document called CRS or BRD. CRS stands for Customer Requirement Specification or Business Requirement Document. As part of this document, we got the details of the project, what needs to be built. Who built it? Business analyst or product analyst. Agree? This is a non-technical. Okay. So people from our industry, say ABCD people have given this document, non-technical document. From our side, few people will go and do the software analysis. They will also write a document called SRS or FRD. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification or Functional Requirement Document. This is a pure technical document where all the technical aspects of the project, like what technology should be used, how much duration of the project, what is the budget of the project, all this will be analyzed as part of the software analysis. Am I done? Agree? Next phase. Software testing. Software designing. Why are we doing software designing? To ensure, to get the confirmation from the client that, sir, this is what we are going to build. Whatever you told us, we understood it. And as per our analysis, we think this is what needs to be built. Are you correct? Are we on the same platform or not? If customer have any issue, we will again start from the requirement gathering, give what is the correct requirement is there. We might have made the mistake, whatever. Let's correct the requirement. Let's do the analysis once again. Let's build a new prototype. Are you ready? No, still not ready. Let's do again. Unless customer say, client says, yes, this is what I want to build. Exactly. Unless client says, this is exactly what I wanted, we will be keep doing these steps. These are required. And once we get the confirmation, yes, focus here. Once we get the confirmation, this is what exactly needs to be built as part of the prototype. Who are these people, sir? Database administrator, software architect, or UI UX designer. Agree na? Developers. Am I clear? Done. Now prototype is ready, everything is ready, all the clarity is there. Now let's get our hand dirty with the software development. And software development is the actual phase where software is being built by doing programming. By software developers are the people those who want to do the programming in order to build the software as per the designing is happening as per the FRD. Development is happening as per the once the software application has been built, we cannot directly deliver it to the client unless we ensure whatever customer client wanted, we have built exactly the same. To ensure our software, whatever we have built, whatever application, whatever we have built, that function as per the FRD. Whatever we have built, that must function as per the FRD. Agree? Agree. So to ensure this, there is a dedicated team of specialized people called software testers or quality assurance engineers. Those who will do software testing to find out some bugs are there or not, whether our functionality exactly work as per the requirement or not. Agree? Am I clear? Once we have done the development, we have done the testing, everything is fixed. Then we will do what? Software deployment. What is the software deployment all about? Hand over the software application to the client by deploying this software in their servers. Am I clear? Everybody, is it done? One last thing is left over. What if we have delivered the application? Our client have millions of customers across the globe. All the people are using, everything is working fine. Am I clear? If some issue comes, later point of, as of now, everything is working well. Later point of some other issues started coming. So many people have started using, so application is a bit slow. Possibility is there, na? Agree? Or tomorrow customer says, hey, everything is working fine. I want this new feature also to be added. Are you getting my point? Software application is working fine as per the requirement, but tomorrow I want some new features to be added. Are you getting my point? To handle such scenarios where ongoing bugs, ongoing means some performance issues coming, some people not authorized, they are also accessing it. That should not happen, right? All these issues to be fixed. For that, last phase. Okay, by the way, I forgot to add it. This is deployment will happen over here. Software deploying activities there. And who are these people called? Infra engineers. I'm sure you might have heard something called DevOps people or server admin, database administrator. All these people ensure to deliver the software at the server end. Agree na? After this, next phase comes what? What is the next phase, sir? Seventh and last phase, software what does it happen in this phase? Future enhancement. Am I clear? Future enhancements are there or some bug fixing activities there. Who are these people called? Software support engineers. These are called software. I'll write it somewhere here. Is that okay? These are called software support engineers. What are they going to do? If any ongoing in future, some requirement comes, they'll take care. If ongoing project, whatever is being used, some issues are coming, chotu-motu, screw loose, chotu-motu issues are coming. Who are these people? Software support engineers, they will handle it. Am I clear? Everybody, people, those who came in all little late, for them, I'll revise everything. Oh, you can't see after the sixth step? Okay, I'll do one thing, I'll write everything in the next slide. Thank you for confirming, guys. Okay, wait a minute. Ample amount of space is there. Seventh step, software deployment will happen. Sorry, maintenance. Okay, now this side. Opposite. Little enough. Perfect. Okay, guys, I hope seventh step is also visible to you, all of you. Confirm quick. Online folks. See, let me get the things clear. You are my friends. When I say friends, you are supposed to respond. When I say folks, I'm talking to the online people because two mode of classes are happening. One is offline, one is online. So online, when I say folks, that means online people. When I say friends, yes or no? Good. Okay. I hope it is visible, guys. Everybody, shall we start? Quick. Quick. Okay, great. Perfect. Y is enough. You don't need to type the Y, yes. Okay, listen carefully. Seventh step is software has been built, software has been deployed. And in future, some enhancements are coming, some new features are being added to handle that situation. Or in future, some other challenges started coming. To handle such scenarios, there is a dedicated team of software support engineers. They will handle the future enhancements or bug fixing, which will come later, the deployment. Are you getting my point? Am I clear? Okay. Last phase is called software. Once again, you have to respond along with the session. Am I clear? Am I clear? Louder. Once again. Good. So the point is, as part of our first day session, I didn't want to make it too complicated for you people. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start the Java and discussion about Java, why Java came, what was the problem before, how Java fixed it, why Java is popular, how popular it is, why are we learning Java, all this. As of now, something which is critically important and one of the area which will be discussed in interview. Ultimately, you're developers, right? You believe it. Once again, and irrespective, by the way, how many of you are CSIS people over here, offline people? Anybody? Nobody is from non-CSIS. From day one of the day of these sessions, all of us are from software industry. Whether you studied in the software industry or not, I don't care. Now you are studying, right? Starting from absolutely scratch, I am starting from the requirement gathering. From yet coding didn't come, and wait for a couple of days, it will not even come. I'll ensure from scratch, I'll start making you confident developer is my job. I'll take care of it. Am I clear? Now, funda is simple. As part of the SDLC, what is SDLC stand for? If this is the way you respond, there is no class gonna happen. Energy. So once again, SDLC stand for development life cycle. Software development life cycle is a standard procedure to build any, which must be followed for any developers or any group of engineers, those who want to build a software. Am I right? This is the standard procedures which must be followed by all the people, those who are building the software. Okay, sir. As part of SDLC, how many steps are there total? Louder. Total 7 steps are there. First step, requirement gathering. Second, software analysis. Third, software designing. Fourth, am I clear? Now, as part of the first step, requirement gathering, what happens? In this phase of SDLC, we get to know what needs to be built, which application needs to be built, details about the project we get to know from business analyst or product analyst as part of the customer CRS or BRD. CRS stand for requirement specification. BRD stand for business requirement document. And once we get all the details, what needs to be built, then we will do software analysis. As part of the software analysis phase, team of technical, our technical team will sit together and build us a document, SRS, software requirement specification, or FRD, functional requirement document. And who are these people? These are called project managers, project lead, subject matter expert. These are the people, those who are going to build a technical document. And from now onwards, all the steps will follow this document. Am I clear? If software designing is to build, FRD will follow. Development, FRD. Testing, FRD. Everybody will follow this SRS or FRD. Am I clear? Okay, sir. Sir, analysis is done. As part of analysis, what are we doing? What is the budget of the project required? What is the duration of the project? What is the team size required? Am I clear? Once all this is done, then we are going to create a prototype of the actual application. Am I clear? Why are we doing it? To get the confirmation from the client, this is what we are going to build. Are you ready? Okay with this or not? Am I clear? Okay, sir. After this, as part of the software designing phase, we'll create a prototype. Who are these people? Database administrator, software architect, then user interface or user experience designers. These people will create one prototype and ensure to get the confirmation from the client. Agree? Once, what if client says no, this is not I want, then we will start from again scratch. Requirement gathering, analysis, then again design. Unless client say yes, this is what I want, we will not proceed further. Am I clear? Once we get the confirmation from the client, then we will start software development. As part of the software development, we will do programming. Who are these people? Software developers. They will write the code as per the FRD. Am I clear? Whatever functionality is written as part of the functional requirement document, software development will build those. Am I clear? Next step. Why are we doing software testing? To ensure our product, whatever has been built as part of the development phase, that function as per the FRD. There should not be any gap. There should not be any bugs. Am I clear? Who are these people called? Software testers or quality assurance engineers. What are they going to do? Software testing. Am I clear? Software deployment. What is this phase all about? Once the product has been built, tested, to hand over the project to the client, we will do the software deployment, where infrastructure engineers or DevOps engineers will hand over the product to the client. Am I clear? Last phase. What is this? In case any future enhancements come, our software support engineers will take care of the future enhancements. Or am I clear? Everybody understood it? There is no confusion. Hardly few minutes are left over. Is that okay? We'll do the dictation tomorrow. I want you to dictate about all the steps. Tomorrow we'll start our day with one quick revision about the dictation of the SDLC phase. Then we'll proceed further. Am I clear? And then we'll see what were happening, because ultimately what are we are going to be doing. Ultimately, we are software developers and we'll be doing. We need to understand a bit more about programming, what is happening, what was the era before, and what is the latest technologies are going on. All these things will. Do you want now only? Enough for the day? Enough, huh? Tomorrow we'll start afresh with the discussion of programming. As of now, I hope you understood little bit about. Yes or no? Sure now? Sure? And let me assure you one thing. As of now, 5 days of demo sessions are going on, and I expect you to attend all the sessions. Do not miss any of the classes. Come on time, please. Am I clear? And most importantly, if you are interested to register yourself for this course, talk to the consent team that will be there. And every day there is a discount coupon is going on. If you want to register today, if you register today, 500 rupees of discount will be there. And actual fees for offline session, it is 24,999. For online, it is 19,999. 19,999 for online. For offline, 24,999. Am I clear? And if you register today, you can avail 500 rupees of discount by using a code hashtag SDLC. Am I clear? So you just, while registering, you just tell this code hashtag SDLC. They'll register and they'll be able to give you 500 rupees of discount for the day one. And along with this, there is a referral scheme is going on where you can refer to your friends to join the course. If you are interested and you want your friend also to join our beautiful journey of software development, you can refer to your friends. If you refer somebody, you'll get 2,000 rupees as the offer referral bonus. And during this journey, at least for 5 days, I expect you to come. Then you do the decision making whenever you want. I have no issues with that. But if you are coming to the classes, I expect you to come on. We'll start sharp 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. And before coming to the classes, I expect you to do a little bit revision and come to the class. Tomorrow I'll start with the dictation of SDLC and we'll proceed further. Every day, chotu-motu task will be there. Right now, first day, nothing is there. So, chill. Am I clear? So, shall we say that's it for the day? Let's end up. Okay, then. Tata. Bye-bye. Namaskara from my side. Our team will be talking to you. Ashok sir will be there. We'll address it. And also one QR code will be displayed to you all for your attendance, where a Google form will be there. You need to fill in your details. Ensure you mark your attendance without fail every single day. Am I clear? So Ashok will talk to you. Now,
most of the people might have know me, but still, let me introduce myself. So I am Ashok. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Employee Solutions. Okay. And I'm observing how the class is going, how you people are reacting. Okay. So how's the class? Huh? I mean, I'm not getting that much of vibe from you. Like maybe it's, sir, it is okay like that. Huh? How was that class? Okay, fine. So I mean, as I told that I was observing, so I had one question now. So let's say tomorrow you're coming. Okay. Arun asked someone he picked randomly in this group, and he asked, what will do it in software development? Now he written everything. When he is showing there, you are answering by seeing the board. Tomorrow, if he asks directly, someone randomly picked up and he asked this question, will you be able to answer will you be able to answer for this question? Seriously? Why I'm asking this question? You have to carry the notes every day. Tomorrow, this might be your interview question as well. See, let's say like you attended an interview. So you introduce yourself. Then suddenly the next question that you are getting from the interview person, like, can you tell me what is software development like? He asked like, what exactly we do as a software is what exactly you do. Just a normal question. If you note it down properly, if you know properly, even this question might be important. Don't think that only programming will be important for us. Even every small question will be important. And don't know which question they'll ask at what time. So if they ask that question, immediately if you can able to explain entire thing, sir, these are the procedure, requirements, software analysis, designing, and requirement will be done by like doc, CRS or BRD or with BA or PA. Like this, everything if you explain, next question might be very, very easy for you because he thinks that this fellow knows everything. Right? So that will happen if you maintain the notes every day properly. If you just listen and go from here, tomorrow you might not know. Tomorrow, okay, tomorrow you will remember, but day after tomorrow again, after 2 days, if I ask the question, you will not remember. If I ask like, who's doing the software analysis, which people will be doing, you'll not remember, I'm telling you. That is truth actually, right? So you have to maintain the notes. Okay. And he was talking about the referral and this one, right? So that is for the, few CSR people also is there. So yeah, you can. So it's not for them actually, the people who is sitting for demo and who's sitting for the paid. Okay. And I expect same strength tomorrow, and you have to be here by sharp 11 o'clock without miss. Okay. And if you think there is a very less crowd, like why I want to come, I'll attend an online means, see, as much as less, it's easy for us to provide a job for everyone, to be frank. You've seen other places like 300, 500, 1,000 people are there. Only 50, 100 people will get a job, remaining people will come out. Okay. So as a company, we'll bring the placements for sure. We'll be having the placements once after completing the core Java. After 3 months, your placements will start. Okay. So as much as less, it's easy for me to place everyone. That's the confidence I have. Okay. So don't think, but still people we have, still students are there in online. So due to some reasons, they might come 1 or 2 days late. But I want everybody to come on time and everybody to come regularly to the classes. Okay. And as a part of 120 days journey, your first day is over. Your first day is already over. So for might be people for it as a demo or something, whatever it is, but this is the first day of the class. So your left out days is 190. Okay. This is how you have to count and go. And the 6 months, I want everybody to put their complete effort. Okay. You have to prepare and come each and every day. Once after the class is over, you have to go sit and work on that class, whatever has happened. You have to revise. Okay. So for this 120 days, if you can able to do it properly, then it's easy for you to get a job. Okay. And jolly days are over. Time to put a effort. Okay. Thank you. And if anybody have any doubt, anything, our team is here. You can reach out to Arun or me, anyone. So we have one more office over there, corporate office. If you have any other questions or something, you can come directly over there also and we can discuss. Okay.
Okay, guys, there is a QR code will be displayed to you. Online folks, I'm sure that you can see that now. Ensure you scan this QR code to fill in your attendance, your details, which are mandatory for yourself to register. And offline folks, I'll show you here. You can scan it from here. Just a moment, it will come. Online folks, can you just quickly confirm, is it visible to you all? Online? Is it visible? Hello, hello, fast. Perfect. Good. Thank you, Chinmay, Supreet, Sanjay, Lakshmi, Angel, Monica. You have been responding throughout the session, as I could see. That's it. See, I'll tell you, frankly speaking, this much is the amount of effort is required from your end. If you can be sincerely learning, that's more than enough for us. Ensure to scan the QR code, everybody. And as I told you, if you register today itself, you get 500 rupees additional discount. So if you're interested, if you like the training sessions, as soon as possible, register yourself. And this discount coupon is there only for today. Okay. Once you scan the QR code, there will be a link coming. You just tap on that link, you'll be able to get the job. And how to scan, if you are not sure, go to Google. In that Google search bar, next to the mic icon, you will find a image icon. Yeah, this one only. You just need to sign into your Google account, and then you should be able to fill in the form. Online folks, are you all comfortable to fill in the form? Quickly confirm. You type done if you have done it. Type done, D-O-N-E, done.